Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing right here, and basically what this is a ceramic tower heater. If you see the one that we got right here is from a brand called Air Choice. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what the product looks like and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside right here. So they basically provide you guys a user manual right here to teach you guys how to set a product and also how to use as well. And then right underneath that we have the actual product. So let's take it out. Alright. So once we take it out, you can see how the product is all nicely wrapped up. But let's take off the wrapper first. Alright. So once we take it out, this is basically what the product looks right here. So basically the fan part right here is ceramic. And you can see the way how they designed it actually looks pretty nice as well. On top right here we do have a handle option right here. So that way it makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry around if you guys need to. And the cool thing about this handle part right here, you guys actually move it around. So if you guys want to move it down this way, you can definitely do that on here to actually save space. And when you guys need to use it, you can pull it back up. And you see the bottom part right here. So they do have the tip over protection on here. So basically once the product tips over, this part comes out and the product will actually turn off by itself. And basically for this tower heater or space heater right here, it definitely has an oscillating option on here. So that way actually moves left and right for you guys automatically. They also mentioned the way how they designed the fan part right here. It has like a wired outlet on here. So that way actually give you guys a lot more hot air and also give you guys a lot more coverage as well. And then obviously for the part right here, not only does it give you guys a tip over protection, they also give you guys the overheat protection as well. So that way the product won't overheat. If you guys look at the back part right here, they do have the filter in the back right here. And right here we do have the cable that you guys want to actually plug in to actually activate the product. And then you see in the top part right here, this is basically the control for the actual temperature on here. So on this side right here, you guys can definitely control like the temperature setting on here. And on this side right here, you can control like the fan speed level and also the oscillating option on here as well. So that is basically everything that's on the bar right here. Let me actually go plug this in and actually test it out to show you guys how it works and what actually works. And I will come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got the space heater all set right here. Let me actually turn it on to show you guys how it works. So first thing I'm going to do is adjust the temperature setting on here in terms of how high you guys want it first. Once you guys have that on, you guys actually adjust right here. So you can definitely turn on the oscillating option, or you can definitely just turn on the fan option. If you guys want to only use the fan option, just go like this. And that basically only activates the space heater option right here. So definitely once I actually turn it on, I can definitely feel the heat on here. And you can see it's not moving because we didn't turn on the oscillating option on here. If you guys want to actually turn on the oscillating option, you guys want to turn it the other way. So you can see when I actually turn on the oscillating option, it definitely does move. And definitely give you guys a pretty good coverage on here when you guys use that option on here. But right now the setting that I turned on right here, it basically works as a fan. If you guys want to use the heating option, you guys want to turn it one more time. Let me show you what it actually looks like on the top part. So you can see on the top part right here, basically we just turn on the fan oscillating option on here. So in order for you guys to use the heating option, you guys need to turn it on this side right here. So if I turn it all the way to 1 first, I'm assuming right now it's on the low fan option, but definitely feel the heat on here once you guys activate it. If you guys want the faster fan option on here, you guys want to turn it one more time. So now we have it on the high setting on here, and definitely feel the heat on here is actually pretty high as well. So if you guys want to increase or lower the temperature on here, you basically want to use this part right here. So that basically lowers it. And that increases it. And definitely like I mentioned for the product here, it definitely has a tip over protection on here. So I actually tilt the product on here, it turns off, but once I put it back down, it turns on. So definitely if you guys want to turn it off, you guys need to turn it off to 0 right here, because even with the tip over protection on here, it will actually stay on when you guys put it back to the original spot. But this is basically what the product looks like in terms of how to use it and everything. If you can see, it definitely does work. And welcome back guys. So nice quick test upon definitely see that actually does work. Actually works quite well. If you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. All you can do is plug in the cable and turn on the switch to whatever setting you guys want to use. So whether you guys want the oscillating option or non-oscillating option, and whether you guys want it to be hotter or colder, you can definitely adjust all of that on here. But definitely once you guys activate the product, you can definitely feel how hot it can get like instantly. And obviously for this product here, you can definitely use it almost anywhere. If you guys want to use it at home, if you guys want to use it in the office, or if you guys want to use it in your bathroom, you can basically use it anywhere as long as you guys have somewhere to actually plug in the outlet, then you guys should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now like unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality tower heater that can definitely do everything that I mentioned on here. In terms of tip over protection and overheat protection as well, if you guys want all of that and so much more, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.